maths class, mathematics class, and now you can observe some modules have been provided on your platform. Can you see the modules provided to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For a while, few seconds, you can observe what are given to you. Okay, you can discuss with your friends. And what is the purpose? What you need to do means, what you have to do with the modules means, everybody listen. You have so many things on your platform. You have to make a cube with all the items given on your platform. आप लोग एक क्यूब बनाना है जो सब चीज जो आपके प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर है उसके साथ एक क्यूब बनाना है. ओके, सब चीज इस्तेमाल करना है, किसी को नहीं छोड़ना है और एक्स्ट्रा भी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. ओके, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. क्या बनाना है आप लोग को? क्यूब बनाना है. Good. One group completed. Yes. क्यूब हो गया. इसको भी यूज करना है ना, मैं बोला सब चीज इस्तेमाल करना है, किसी को नहीं छोड़ना है. जितना सारे आप लोग को दिया, whatever I have given to you, take it all. Completed. Very good. Very good. Very good. Not at once. Take some time. Take some time. Try again. Yes, yourself. Something left. Okay. Two groups completed. Three groups completed. What about you girls? Completed. Very good. I appreciate all the groups. You have, constructed. You have completed a big cube with all the items given on your platform. Okay, all of you, I appreciate you. But with this, we have to understand. Okay, we have to explain the algebraic identity, particularly a plus b whole cube. That is a cube plus. Come on. With these items, okay, whatever we have, the cube and these things, now we have to explain. We have to understand that algebraic identity with these items. हम लोग को ये समझना है कि ये algebraic identity जो फार्मूला है वो कैसे आया, इसके साथ समझना है. Okay, you be ready. You explain me. I will come to your group. Okay, I am coming to you. Okay, explain me. Now completion very good. You did quickly. आप लोग बहुत जल्दी इसको क्यूब बनाया. अभी एक्सप्लेन करो वो फार्मूला. Come on. Whatever it is, we have a plus b whole cube is equal. I am writing a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. So how many numbers are here? Two numbers, a and b. A plus b whole cube. And again we have how many parts? One. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us understand. This box, suppose it represents a cube. It represents what? A cube. Then what is this measurement? What is this measurement? So if this represents a cube, this is a cube. इसका वॉल्यूम है a cube. What is the length of these heads? Yes, it is a because it is a cube means length into breadth into height. A into a into a. This is a cube means this is how much? Check yours. So this stands for a. This is a cube. So we have first one a cube. So this is what? A cube. Next एक छोटा सा क्यूब है आपका सेट में है. देखो सब लोग देखो. This is what? Suppose its length is its edge is b. So what is this? ये पूरा क्या होगा? It is b cube. Check your words. So this stands for what? B cube. And this is a cube. Okay. We have got a cube and b cube. Right? Now we see this is over. This is over. A cube we have and b cube also we have. What are the things left? Any one of you? 3 a square b. 3a square b. Next one 3ab square. So we keep these two things aside. Okay. Now check you these things. ये कितना है? 3. How many are there? 3. So 3 means this 3. Okay. And बाद में क्या है? A square b. Now this is what? Is it cube or cuboid? You see which shape? You look at and see your items also. This is what? Cuboid. Cuboid. इसका वॉल्यूम क्या है? What is its volume? देखो पहले this is length. This is length and breadth. Length देखिए कितना है length? Length कितना है देखो? Length कितना है? This is how much? This is how much? Now is the length a? Length is a? And what about breadth? A. And what about its height? This is height. B is how much? Breadth. Height is B. So length is A, breadth is A, height is B. What is its volume? Length into breadth into height. Volume. A square. Length A into breadth A into height B. A square B. So A square B. This is what? A square B आपके सेट में है. So कितना है अभी? 3. Okay. Show yours. So कितना है? 3. So this is 3 A square B. A square B is its volume. अब देखो कितना है आपके सेट में. This is A square B. This is A square B. This is A square B. कितना है? 3 A square B. Now this is over. This is over. This one also. Let us come to this one. Okay. ये चेक करो. ये क्यूब है, क्यूबॉइड. क्यूबॉइड. इसका देखो. This is length. This is breadth. This is height. सभी को दिखाई दे रहा है? This is length is how much? Length is how much? चेक करो आपके साथ. Okay. And breadth is how much? B. Breadth is B. Height is B. So what is its volume? AB square. Length A into breadth B into height B. A into B into B. कितना हो गया? A square B or AB square? AB square. Now how many we have? This is one AB square. AB square. AB square. कितना हो गया? 3. So that is what? 3AB square. Now हमारे पास सब है. A cube है, B cube है. We also have 3A square B. 3A square B is this one and 3AB square.